Hello! Vortex Rev welcomes you all. Many people know about the Nissan Patrol, but few know that this car's roots go back to a battlefield. 1951. The Korean War is raging. Japan is being squeezed from every side. The economy is in ruins. Nissan was a small factory back then, nothing special. The US Army needed a solid vehicle for its forces stationed in Japan. Something like a Jeep, but bigger, tougher. Nissan took the order. Nobody expected much from them, but within 2 years, they built something that made American generals go quiet. By the end of 1951, the Patrol was born. The first Patrol was simple: metal, engine, 4 wheels. Rough looks, straight lines. No luxury, no comfort. But that car didn't stay on military bases. Soon it was being driven by oil company workers across the Middle East. Missionaries took it through Africa. In the vast open plains of Australia, farmers relied on it for years. The Patrol went and didn't come back empty-handed. Then the 1980s came, the oil boom. Engineers heading out into the desert for oil exploration would set up camp at night and disappear into the sand with their patrol come morning. Workers from that era still say the same thing today. Once you drive a Patrol, you can't trust anything else. In 1997, the Y61 arrived. This car was so reliable that some countries deliberately refused to discontinue it. Even after the official production line shut down, factory parts kept selling because the old Y61s were still out on the roads. In Brazil, Nigeria, Kazakhstan, when the engine stopped, the driver would get out, look it over, run a hand across it, and start it back up again. No garage, no spare parts. In 2010, the Y62 arrived. Leather inside, power outside. Gulf State Sheikhs bought it. Traffic police drove it. Villagers in the mountains loved it. When you hear the name Nismo, you think of the track. GTR, racing, asphalt. But Nissan handed the Patrol over to the Nismo engineers. Do what you can with it, they said. They changed the body, tuned the engine, rebuilt the suspension. They kept the Patrol's bones intact. When most people look at this blue car, they see a color, a body kit, 4 exhaust tips. Very few see that old Patrol that ran out of fuel in the desert, but never stopped. Subscribe to the channel, like the video. See you in the next one.